a cloudy day going into a partly cloudy night with a whole bunch of winds coming in from the south, from the Gulf, bringing in a whole bunch of moisture, keeping that dew point very, very high at 66 degrees for our dew point. That's pretty muggy, that's pretty sticky. And as we go into the nighttime hours, you can expect a bit of fog. If you're doing any sort of driving, be aware of that. 61 is our low tonight, and that'll warm up pretty drastically into 80 degrees tomorrow, where we'll have the same sort of day like we had today. Very cloudy in the AM, and then that'll break up going into the PM. Now, that is still much, much warmer than average. Hopefully, a little bit of rain that we're going to see this weekend and going into next week is going to break up those chances. 60% chance for Friday, and it's going to kind of be between the 20 to 40% mark for the rest of the weekend going into next week, before another 60% chance on Tuesday. Now, we can go ahead and track out that Friday rain chance pretty much starting out very strong, 8 a.m. The majority of the northern portion of our area is going to be covered in a good bit of rain. Seeing a good bit of rain, and it's going to kind of morph as we head into lunchtime. So you'd probably be at work by this time. Make sure you have a rain jacket in your car just in case. It's going to kind of take the eastern half of our area and cover that in rain as well. Now, luckily, that's going to mostly move out into Alabama, giving us a good break, just some light showers here and there, some drizzles. And then by midnight that night, Saturday at 12 a.m., that's when we'll get that big swath, that band of rain that's going to be pushed down by that cold front. And that's what's going to start to bring in some of those cooler temperatures. We're going to get that moisture out of here, and that's going to bring in some nice cooler temperatures as we head into the week with 72 as our high on Sunday and some broken cloud cover, kind of residue left over from what we saw on Friday and Saturday. Going into Monday with some light rain, getting ready for thunderstorms possible on Tuesday. But look at that high for Tuesday, 69. We're in the 60s as our high again, folks. It's November again. It's fall again. We're no longer in this summery 80-degree pattern. We're breaking out and cooling off a good bit as we stay in a very cloudy and rainy week ahead of us for Northeast Mississippi.